हम तुमको गांव वापस भेज देंगे. Used to be the old way of saying something that is even still said, but you don't know what they mean when they're saying this. So the Latin word for village is rus, R-U-S, or rur, as in rural. And therefore, when your principal tells you that I am going to send you back, what are they really doing? They're reminding you that you've actually come to the city to learn stuff at school, but your house really belongs in the village, and that's where they're going to send you back when they rusticate you. Now, if you want to use this term outside of school, the good news is that you can. So I actually habitually rusticate all the time because I love going to the village because, well, God, the peace that you get over there can really never be had in the city, can it? So to rusticate somebody means to send them back to their village. But the good news is that you can rusticate yourself. If you like that, you're going to love Logophilia. Read the description below.